Banerjee has now spoken. I'm just quickly going to go across to that. She's saying, why don't you catch the health minister? What was he doing? I'm assuming she's talking about Dr. Harshvardhan here, the health minister of the country. What was his agency doing? Why doesn't he take any responsibility? The West Bengal government has taken enough action. This is what the Chief Minister is saying on the vaccination issue. On the NHRC report, this is what she's saying. She's saying there is always some discussion on West Bengal, either on violence or something else. All this is being planted by the MHA. I respect that institution, but they should not act as government agents. Shogoto, I'm coming back to you. Mamata Banerjee's response to the fake vaccination camp. She's got a lot of flack from the High Court, as you've just pointed out, a letter from the central government as well. And she almost seems to be suggesting that this is some sort of big sazish to defame the West Bengal government.
Well, that is what is coming across from what Mamata Banerjee is trying to say in this particular case. You see, Shreya, ever since the racket got busted, some of the top, excuse me, some of the top accomplices of Debanjan Dev have also been arrested. They have been produced in court and remanded in police custody. Regular raids are being carried out by the specially constituted special investigation team by the Kolkata police, which is being headed by an officer of the rank of the deputy commissioner of the detective department. And skeletons are also tumbling out of the cupboard every single day, which has also prompted another central agency like the Enforcement Directorate to also step in and throw its hat into the ring, asking the state government to furnish all the details, including FIR copies, to ensure, to enable the agency to look into the possibility of a money laundering case in this particular matter. Remember, Debanjan Dev have been operating fake bank accounts in the name of Kolkata Municipal Corporation, where monetary transactions have been taking place. Now, of course, running of these kinds of private vaccination camps where hundreds and thousands of people get vaccinated on a daily basis, procuring of the vaccines, even though they are fake,
okay.
And also the fact that obviously requires a fund, a capital, some sort of a capital background, which is why obviously the ED has taken note of the matter and has now asked the Bengal government to also provide the details of what they have come up as far as Debanjan Dev and his accomplices so far, and it remains to be seen when the court continues to hear this matter from Friday onwards, what additional skeletons keep tumbling out of the cupboard.
All right, we'll wait for that.
What one needs to wait and
sure.
watch.
We will wait for that, Shogoto. Do stay on with us.